Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to explore a very good opportunity for the female students who are looking forward to pursue their higher education in different top universities of Pakistan. Yes, I'm talking about the Talent Hunt program for bright female students from low income families. This initiative is taken by USAID in collaboration with HEC Pakistan to provide financial support to those bright female students who belong to low income families who are looking forward to take admission in the top universities of Pakistan, but it is hard for them to prepare for the entry tests or other resources that are required to take admission in a university. So we will discover all the details about the scholarship program. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships and exchange programs abroad. So let us begin with today's video. First of all, this is the official website of HEC Pakistan where the information about Talent Hunt program is mentioned. First of all, what is this Talent Hunt program? It is basically initiated by USAID-funded merit and needs-based scholarship program to encourage and prepare talented female students from low-income families who aspire for higher education but cannot apply for the admission in top Pakistani universities, either due to lack of finances required to enroll for the professional entry test preparation workshops. As you know that entry tests have become too expensive these days, and preparing for them requires a lot of money. If you are going to private sector academies or any colleges or schools for preparation. So this initiative focuses on identifying bright female students with exceptional matriculation and FA/FSC results ahead of time, investing in them by offering entry test preparation workshops for their admission in medical, engineering and general universities of Pakistan. So basically they are targeting those students who have cleared their intermediate first year and waiting for the result of second year. So before ahead of time they are actually supporting such students to prepare for entry test to take admission in medical, engineering and general universities of Pakistan. So what is the eligibility criteria? Student must be a Pakistani or AJ&K national, must belong to low income family, must have secured 80% or above in intermediate first year in engineering, medical, computer sciences group. If you belong to the science group, then you should have 80% or above marks in intermediate first year. And if you belong to the general sciences or social sciences and humanities group, then you should have 70% or above in intermediate, that is first year. So you do not need your second year results. You can apply on the basis of your first year result. That should be above this threshold level for both of these groups. Special preference will be given to females, students from rural, less developed districts of Pakistan. So if you belong to far-flung areas of Pakistan, it will be a benefit for you. Students with disabilities, so if you have any disability or you are a specially abled person, then you will be preferred for the scholarship. Process of shortlisting: the application will be scrutinized by the HEC committee to determine eligibility of the applicant. Merit list will be prepared based on academic record and needs-based criteria defined under the program. Offer letters will be issued to top candidates depending upon the available slots. Program coverage: what the program will provide to you. It will provide to you a stipend, and a mock test will be conducted after the preparatory workshop. So for whatever entry test you are intended to prepare, they will provide you the preparatory workshop and will also conduct a mock test to evaluate your preparation and suitability for the actual test. Along with that, they will also provide you a suitable stipend to pursue your entry test preparation and to get admission in a top university of Pakistan. So this is the scholarship portal of HEC. However, the portal is not yet active. Yes, it is mentioned here that the date of opening of online application portal will be announced soon. So as soon as it is announced, I will be sharing the update in the comment section of this video. You can access it from there, or you can regularly visit this website of HEC that I am reading right now from. So I will share the link of this HEC website. When this portal will get activated, you can see an apply link right here below. so you can submit your application from there as well. If you have any specific questions related to this scholarship or funding opportunity, you can always email them on this email ID or call HEC on these numbers. So this was all about this scholarship opportunity. It is a very good opportunity for those students who are aspiring to take admissions and cannot afford the ample amount of fee required to prepare for entry test. Do share this information with those who deserve. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.